So, guys, this is our day 50 of daily updates, and yeah, I would have to say that day 50 was actually one of my best days of my past. I would say like 365 days. Like it was my best day of this year actually. Like the starting of 2025 has been so great that I would really thank to God for all this, for all the gifts and for all the respect that I got actually. So, what the main story is behind it, and what I actually mean by this what. So, basically what happened was I actually went to the bank to make a current account, because all the payments which I'm getting right now are all going to my which are all going to my savings account, and which could be a bit of problem. And the main reason behind it, well, like as you all know that in India there are a lot of taxes and that kind of stuff. So I'm not So basically, I had to like make another account, a current account, to deal with the transactions which are which are on a higher scale, like not usual 100 or 1,000 rupees, like in terms of 10,000 or lakhs, so that kind of stuff. So that's why I went to the bank and told the bank employee that I'm here to actually open a current account. So like for their daily day-to-day work, like they always work with and always talk with the guys which I like over 20 or 30 age plus, because those are the type of guys who would actually have their own business. But it was their first time seeing a guy of my age, like which is of 18 to 19-year old. As for me, I'm currently 19-year old. So that's what they actually respected the most. Like like I actually told them that how much I have earned and how much I have like made it through till now. And like the guy even gave me his number, and actually he actually took my number and said that if he could offer any service, then I should call him for any favor or something, that he would be pleased to serve me. And he said that he would like appoint a meeting with his manager. And yeah, so that was like actually one of my most respectful day. And yeah, so after that, I was actually along with my mother. So she was also actually watching all of this, like all the stuff that happened yesterday. It actually increased my aura by 1 lakh plus or 100k plus aura. And that was my most favorable, like most perfect day of my life till now. Like not exactly of my life, but yeah, the most immaculate day, the most impeccable day of this year. And like that was not just all. Like after going to the bank, we went to the, yeah, shopper stop. It was actually in the mall Emerald. So I was along with my mother and we went for a shopping. So I bought a new pair of shoes and two sweatshirts like this. So it was like two sweatshirts, one pair of shoes, and two watches. Like one watch I bought and one watch which I gifted to my mother. So that was like one of the best moment in which I gifted a brand new Giordano watch to my mother. So like that's what all we live for, no? Like that's what matters at the end of the day. Like for what are you earning this? Like for what are you earning this lots of money? So yeah, there need to be an end, like where you actually purchase this kind of stuff, because then what's the meaning of money, like if you don't purchase this kind of stuff? Because yeah, like my father was proud of me, but still, like he was also saying that you are not supposed to spend this much of money. Like this was just like you should learn on how to save the money and not spend it so much. But yeah, I told him that like if I were to have a mindset like that, that if I were to have a scarcity mindset, that I am supposed to like save all of my money and save it, and like save it to be rich, like that's the principle, like what he wanted to say. But yeah, he was also right at some point of time. But for currently at the point of time where I am right now, I'm actually supposed to like spend and earn a lot more. That's what I think. So yeah, for today's update, I would I would let you guys know in another video of today. So see you guys till then. Bye bye.